Oh, yeah.
I'd be a homegrown player.
Oo nga.
Sana 10 na sila.
Oo nga.
10 na kami pala.
Oo. At napag-usapan na rin yan last season, di ba? Pwede ka mag-suit up talaga eh. So, sa perspective nila, mga candidates pa lang yung mga yun, yung nabanggit ko.
Wow, Desmond Price shooting in front of Medina.
Good reject.
Galman, easy too. Kabila, Medina muscling his way through.
Very active again offensively.
So, bagsak si Monton. Esguerra, the one-hander, puts it in. That's a 3 from Desmond Price. 8 points out of the 10 of Bacolod coming from Desmond Price. Natatalo sila, no? But
Pero may palag.
up until the end. And there were some close defeats as well.
That's right.
Harold Benedictus gets going here with a 3-pointer. 11-10.
Kumbaga, to your point, parang yun na yung benchmark, you know, no, we're gonna build a team that has to be the benchmark, has to be better than that. Pero ngayon nga, lalo na this season, you know, marami mga teams that, you know, in my opinion, have really come in prepared. One might make a case for, let's say, Kawayan Marilao, who I thought in the preseason when they were playing for my Muntinlupa team, you know, medyo struggle a little bit, but they found a good groove here only because, you know, they got into preparations, you know, players got bought into the system, and right now they're one of the teams na you wouldn't want to meet because hindi ka nakakasigurado kung anong kalalabasan ng performance mo, and you're almost assured na that team is gonna compete. So dapat talaga, you know, handa ka dito sa season na to. You come in here, try and perform, because if you don't, yun ang nga sinasabi mo, you will get punished.
No, sobrang ruthless itong
No.
MPBL. De Leon inside, he scores yung talo. Kahit you know, they only have 4 wins. As Galman scores the easy 2. Pero alam mong this year, medyo nag-iba yung kultura under Coach Alan sa Langsang.
Yeah, no question about it. Yung first game nila, we covered that in Batangas. They were up against, I think, Parañaque. Man, that was a big surprise. Sabi namin, talagang kakaibang Bulacan team itong nakita natin in the very first game.
Ang ganda ng bitaw ni Harold Benedictus. Dalawa na yan.
Isa na yan sa mga rason kung bakit maganda rin ang nilalaro nitong Bulacan, no?
Ano na yan, na-nominate na natin yan sa 3-point shootout.
Yeah. I think dapat lang talaga eh.
Here's Andre Akop with the easy 2.
Line.
Steal of the game is brought to you by the Extreme Boom 3 waterproof speaker, unstoppable sound, ultimate power.
Good coming in there for Andre.
Moralejo.
Nice pass.
Behind the back.
Pero ang bilis ng effect sa'yo ng coffee, ha? Biglang, ano eh, no?
Oo. Ang ganda ng effect ng tawa nito.
Oo nga.
Desmond Price has been on a tear, 12 points. Why are you playing with the why are you playing with the Lakers all the time? So I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna play with Golden State. So pinalitan ko, nabigla siya.
Na napalitan mo?
Kaya kong palitan. Parang bawal na ba yung mga matatanda maglaro ng ano? Tapos wala, hindi ko na binitawan yung yung switch
console,
after
switch.
console after siguro mga 1 hour ako naglalaro. Ayan, naglalaro na si Benedictus, 30-16 na yung score. So, binalitan ko, naglaro ako. Ayan. Tapos sinilip ko. Dinudurog ko yung racket sa you know how to play dito? Para sabihin ko, hindi ka pa pinapanganak, marunong. Andre Akop.
Parang we gave birth to console games.
Oo. Sabi ko, ano ka ba? Console games raised us.
Oo naman.
ba pagka pindot mo ng strategy dyan, diretso na agad sa pick and roll yung ano niyan. Sa token.
Pero alam mo ako, in terms of, well, we'll talk about that later.
Oo, tamo, lumobo na yung laban.
Lumobo na.
34-16. First 3 minutes na itong third quarter. This is the fast break of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. May baon ako lagi, Coach. Parang minsan gusto mo nang magsulat ng mga iniisip mo.
Pero hindi na yung mga katleya. Yung
Grabe ka naman.
takal na.
Gusto mo
nun.
ba yung ano? Ano ba gusto mong notebook yung may mga artista? Cruz ahead.
Oh, wow.
Pinta with the finish.
Ang mahirap doon, tatlong bakolod. Probably this weekend we'll go there. Oh, the threes have been falling here so far. Nakakadalawang 3 points na itong bakolod. And in this quarter, they are 2 out of 8 from there. 25%. Oh, pangatlo na yan.
Oo.
Tatlong diretso na yan.
1.5 minutes remaining. Monton from downtown gets that one to fall. Ano naman, pero gusto ko siguraduhin kasi na pagdating mo, red carpet.
Ayan naman tayo eh.
Jem Cruz with a 3.
Really, is yung 3-point shooting ni Monton at saka itong mga puntos rin ni Desmond Price. They're well trying to get in the act. Pero ang problema dito, even sa fast break, patuloy pa rin na
Hindi nila mapigilan.
hindi mapigilan eh. They've been really looking to run itong Bulacan with very capable finishers in that instance. Herald Bit.
54-32. Moralejo to Cruz. Open look. Pasok yan. 57-32. Monton trying to answer. Gets it to drop. Monton. He was able to get it off in time all the way from the MRT station in EDSA or Libertad.
Definitely a good chance na ma-deflect yung pasa na yon. Time talaga ito si Monton ng tumatrabaho. Turnover nga lang.
Akop. Oh, nice passing there. Cruz with the finish. The play of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
Being unselfish and maibigay yung bola.
Speaking of LGR, Brescian. Marjon Wahing. That's his first three-pointer of the ball game.
Shot. There you go.
His three-point shot of the game is brought to you by Extreme water-protected speakers. Dive into music with Extreme speakers. Tapos yung dalawa doon, pwede na sila kahit saan. Hindi nila deserve it.
I'm thinking of the most probable candidates for the events. 3 points, ang dami rin eh, no?
No, syempre yung top ano natin from last season. Top 3 natin. Orlan, Manday, and Mark Cruz, the defending champion.
Yeah. Ganda rin yung laban na yun, ha? Yung last season na 3-point shootout. And even more interesting because of, you know, the talent that we've had. Castillo will finish. This is the
Steal of the game brought to you by the Extreme Boom 3 waterproof speaker and top-of sound, ultimate power. Pwede nang galaw nito ni Eman Galman, 14 points. It's a good block there. Monton all alone for 2.
That is really the zone breaker, itong Bulacan.
Moralejo. Oh, what a pass. Ganda naman nun. Moralejo.
Tsaka hirap nun, ang layo. It was a long pass.
Monton fires a 3. Good. Wahing unable to finish. Because Medina takes the jumper. Nope. Bryce sends it to Wahing for the finish. Extreme masubok at kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas. Bryce loses the handle and is holding on to his eye. Nico Dizon found a way to put that one in.
So far here in the second.
Moralejo leaves it to Dizon, gets the 2 points. Dizon with another rebound. That is his 6th rebound of the ball game. Cruz with a runner off the glass and in. Why are they taking so much time? Tira nyo na! Ayun!
It's the same play.
And Herald Benedictos will not hesitate. He knocks down the 3. And we had, last season, I think we had Pangasinan making it through the play-in. So magpipitong minuto na hindi sila
Scoreless.
nakaka-score.
Oh, scoreless.
Ayun, naagaw pa. Oh my gosh. And you were down at that time. They were just down by 15. They brought it down to 15 at... Grabe. I don't know. I don't know, coach. They come away with the win here. Wow, dumipensa. Dumipensa. Wow.